Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making very different sweet dish called potato mango burfi. For this we need boiled and mashed potato and mango, clarified butter, cardamom, sugar. So take a pan, add 2 teaspoons of clarified butter, let clarified butter melt. Now add boiled and mashed potato. Mix it and cook it for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring continuously. While our potato is cooking, make mango pulp, grind it and make a paste. While our potato is cooking, now add mango pulp, mix it well and cook till extra moisture of mango will evaporate. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes. Add sugar as per your taste, 3 to 4 teaspoons. Mix it and cook it till oil separate. Now grease one plate and place this potato and mango mixture. Flatten it, cut into cubes to make burfi, and your very different potato mango burfi is ready. Thank you.